In this video, I'm going to show you some of the biggest mistakes that you should avoid, like the plague, if you're new to LinkedIn or if you're trying to generate business and grow your following on the platform. Now, this video is going to be jam-packed full of valuable information that will help you use LinkedIn more effectively and ensure you avoid the common mistakes that most people make that slows their growth. And I'm giving it to you for free. That's right, this one's on the house. With that said, I propose we make a little arrangement with each other. I will provide you with this valuable video and future videos to help you make money and achieve your goals on LinkedIn. And in return, all I ask is that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join the Discord server, which is linked in the description box below. I promise you, you won't regret it. Also, if you find this video valuable, make sure to find me on LinkedIn and tell me you came from YouTube. Right, let's get into it. LinkedIn mistake number 1, not connecting with the right people. People often come to me telling me that they've posted consistently for weeks or months, but aren't getting any engagement or leads from the platform. Why is this happening? Well, if this sounds like you, I can guarantee it's to do with the connections that you have, or that you don't. You either don't have enough connections for the content that you're posting to be seen by anyone, or you aren't actually connected with the right people who would find your content valuable and want to engage. Having great content but the wrong connections is like trying to feed your dwarf hamster a giant burger. Yes, the hamster could eat it if they wanted, but they'd likely glance at it once, decide it wasn't for them, and move on without taking a bite. And in this slightly odd example, you'd be better off finding and connecting with loads of dwarf hamsters who you know would find your burger tasty, and then create a number of little bite-sized hamster burgers just for them. This way, you know that the little creatures you're creating burgers for will be suitable for your product. And in case my hamster analogy didn't quite hit the mark, here's a normal one. If you sell automation services, for example, to automotive body shops, which helps them to streamline their process and make more profit, you should find and connect with all of the automotive body shop managers and decision makers that you can find and start producing content that helps them and gives them advice on ways to overcome their pain points. This way, you are not only building your connections and followers, you're also ensuring that they are the right people for the things that you sell, and the content that you're producing is going to land right in front of the right type of people that will be interested and engage. LinkedIn mistake number 2, not optimizing your profile. Coming straight off the back of the last mistake, once you've started connecting with the right people, the worst thing that you can do is neglect your profile page, because if your viewers decide to visit you and they see a plain, boring or tacky profile, this could put them off contacting you altogether. Imagine you are a customer who is keen to buy a product or service from someone, and you decide to check out this person's profile or their website prior to buying. And you're greeted with an old, poorly positioned, uninteresting experience. You'll likely decide at that moment that this person is possibly quite unprofessional and you shouldn't be spending your money with them. This is the same as a potential customer may feel if they visit your page that isn't optimized. You should have a clear and clean headshot. This ensures people landing on your page know exactly who they will be dealing with and shows that you take pride in your professional persona. Next is a quality banner image that clearly shows social proof and how you help your target audience pain points. This is the biggest piece of real estate on your page and can make or break whether somebody takes action with you. Add a clear call to action with a link under your headline. This can lead people to a landing page or a sign-up form. And finally, use lots of keywords to enforce that you are an expert in the field. If anybody is searching for those keywords in your niche, you will be shown and they will see your profile. Therefore, they will connect with you, and this not only helps you, this helps recruiters, because if you're trying to find a job, they will use keywords to try and find someone in that niche. Mistake number 3, not engaging with others. Let's face it, going alone can be hard in any sense. Whether you're backpacking across the globe or starting a business, it's always easier when you have people around you to support what you're doing. With that said, engaging with others in your space on LinkedIn can help build relationships that benefit you greatly. For example, let's say there is an influencer in your niche that gets loads of engagement and leads from the platform. You should follow their posts, engage with their content, and then engage with the people engaging with their content. The more you engage with others, especially at the start, the more people will see your name and visit your profile to connect. Not only this, by doing this consistently, you start to become a name that people recognize in that niche and will build yourself as an authority off the back of someone else's popularity. It's a sneaky tactic, but it does work well. As long as you are providing value in your engagement and getting involved with others in your industry on the platform, you will start to get better results. So there you have it, 3 of the biggest mistakes that you should avoid in 2023 if you're trying to grow your brand or influence on the platform. If you found this video valuable, please consider trying to find me on LinkedIn and connecting and letting me know that you came from this video. Also remember our little arrangement and be sure to subscribe, like and join the Discord via the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in another one.